what's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. I got this thing, but I have another thing to unbox too. So first off, I need this. Well, tap tap, tap tap. Now, just go there. It's something that'll allow me to connect my phone to my computer. Look at that. It's an HDMI to USB-C. So, if I'm in like a Discord call, I gotta like plug this in. I don't know if it'll work in the USB-C port right here. I should have got the A to fucking HDMI to go in here. But hey. And then wait a minute. What I'm planning to do is it goes in here. Then ow, ow, ow. Then I grab the HDMI cord from my Xbox, plug it into here, and then I plug it into here, then into here, or into the main. Let me grab my laptop. Then put it in right here for, let's say, a Discord call, and then my USB-C port could go right here for the controller. So yeah, that's what I've planned. It's like a gaming setup in a way. So many fucking adapters, it's not funny. I gotta plug my HDMI back into my Xbox. You may not be able to see me, but I am plugging it in. Oh fuck. Careful. Alright. Just put my laptop back on over here. Just doing a little bit before. Oh, shit. That. I'm off again tomorrow anyway because of my dental appointment. So the next thing I got is, remember this. I did break my other one because I tried to fix it, but I ended up breaking it. So I got myself a new one. Now, I gotta give you a peel. Here we go. There we go. That was satisfying. So now, I just pull from the bottom. Like that. Like that. This piece of tape I gotta cut. Right here. Now, pull. Oh yeah. Grab this. It's the same keyboard I had before I broke it. Okay. And I am going to go on a walk after this. Be a little film. There we go. Got a twist tie off. Another twist tie. There we go. And boom. Just like that. It's an LED gaming keyboard. Let me just grab my USB-C. Just plug it in right here. Now, this. Boom. Got everything? So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.